Sometimes it feels like higher education can be a gamble. With all the costs and campuses full of students, it's easy to imagine being lost in the mix. Instead of a gamble, consider a college that's a good investment. Franklin Cummings Tech is a non-profit technical college offering degrees of high-demand fields like Automotive Technology, Electrical Engineering, Computer Information Technology, Construction Management, Engineering Technology, Opticianry, and more. Education at Franklin Cummings Tech goes beyond pen and paper, where students use state-of-the-art equipment in small classes taught by experienced industry professionals. Students have the support they need to find their ideal career. Employers are looking for students like ours, and we work with over 100 industry partners to help our grads quickly find jobs in their field. Our tuition cost is less than half the average tuition at four-year nonprofit colleges in Massachusetts. Affordable and attainable? That's a smart bet. Enter a world of higher education with lower obstacles in Franklin Cummings Tech. Visit franklincummings.edu today.